Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We'll set the parking brake, put her in neutral, start her up. 69 Chevelle, numbers matching. You can see the brake light works when it's on, tack works, fuel gauge. I think we put a new fuel sending in, oil pressure. Fan. And let's source. There's your tuner for the radio. Guy that I got this from had it since the 70s. Wipers. Horn does not work. Oh yeah, there it is. Just, yep, horn works. Just the button is a little, hadn't been used much. And the dome light works. It's got the seat belts in it. Original MUNCIE shifter. If there's anything I would knock on this car mechanically, it's got that old sloppy original MUNCIE shifter that sometimes they get stuck in gear. They're kind of sloppy. If you've had one, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Power brakes and non-power steering car. Numbers matching, engine's been rebuilt when he had it. I could even put a little personal touch there with his Budweiser on his coil. I just left it that way because it's kind of retro 60s and 70s. When you're working with the originality of cars, that's kind of some little touches of what they were back in the old days. So there's your lights. Car, especially if you're into originality. Love the color. I've had a couple of these that are blue with the white vinyl tops and they just really pop. 605-695-7391.